So when patients are coming to the office to look for a dental implant, the overall success, long-term success of that implant will be affected by the quality of the implant that the specialist placed. And in our office, we choose to use high-quality implants, which will ultimately lead to a long-term prognosis for the implant that's placed. In our office, we have a cone beam machine. This enables us to accurately assess the situation that exists for the patient when they come into the office. We use that X-ray to determine if they need those procedures before the implant is placed. And in doing that, we find out whether the bone's good and the situation's good so the implant could be placed and be successful. We also have on site a machine that can mill a surgical guide and mill an implant and then mill the ultimate restoration. And all those parts will affect the cost. So since we have some of those things on site here, and the high quality of our materials and the high quality of this technology will ultimately be a situation where the ultimate success and the ultimate cost for the patient will be better.